This is feedback for Aisha on WR2. Generally, I think you're making a lot of progress and you have come a long way. Your essay has most of the parts, but there's a few little things that we just need to tweak to make it better. Okay, so very good start, but just a couple things. So first thing, format-wise, you want to make sure that all your body paragraphs are double-spaced like this. Okay, so you have to go back and change that. Also, with your heading on the right side, you need to have the page number as well. And then finally, everything needs to be in Times New Roman font, like this. Okay, so just change that and remember that for the future. So let's start with the intro. I think you had a good start. You made a good start with your intro. But the big problem is where's your thesis? That's very important. So again, I think you did a good job of, having a nice hook and talking about generally background information that talks about these two things. People with healthier food eat less unhealthy food to protect themselves from stress. So a lot of people search for good and healthy food for their body. But right here, you need to have a clear thesis. And I know you have one because I saw your outline and I approved it. So what mainly I'm going to tell to you, you need to follow that outline. That's why we do that. It helps you to organize your ideas and to give you a map of how you should write your essay. So I know you have a thesis because I know I checked your outline and I know I wouldn't let you go without writing a thesis. So whatever your thesis was on your outline, that needs to go here. Okay, so after that, next thing is clear topic sentences. So the first major of make healthy food, it is very important for humanity. This is unclear. So first of all, you need to specify, are you talking about similarities or differences? So the first major what? The first major similarity, first major difference, which one do you want to pick? And you have to pick a topic. Don't start comparing in your topic sentence. Don't say this is more than this is better than this is whatever to this. Just give the topic. So if your topic is quality, which I think is your first paragraph's about, that should be your topic sentence. You just say the first major difference between healthy food and unhealthy food is the quality of the food. Juniors make our food look great and more freshly. So before I move on, I do want to make one more point, which is grammar and spelling. You definitely need to work on this because with your writing, it is making understanding difficult. So here you say, very important for humanity, splashily, good engenders, and like quality of healthy food. What is engenders? So what you're going to have to do is, because I know grammar is a difficult point, and there's a lot of words you don't know, and you're trying to write words that you heard but you don't know how to spell. You got to just copy this word, paste it into a dictionary, and look at the definition and see if that's the right definition that you're looking for. Because I don't think this is the word that you mean to use. Like this one, I think this is great, G-R-E-A-T. And more freshly, so more energy. So we have to work on grammar, complete sentences, and using correct spelling. And that comes with time, but you're going to have to put some work into that. Finally, conclusion. It looks like you have a conclusion, but you put it within your second body paragraph right here. So that is a big no-no. It has to be its own paragraph. And that means that your second body paragraph is really short. So the second major of healthy food is not safety. So again, be clear with your topic sentence. The second major difference between healthy food and unhealthy food is safety. Don't worry about saying not safety or more safe or less safe. Just talk about the topic, safe. And then make your point. And like here, it's not clear. It make our body cancer, right? That's not clear. First, make your point here. Say, the problem with unhealthy food is that it can cause many diseases. For example, since you already added the sentence about unhealthy food, it will be referring to unhealthy food can cause cancer. It has a lot of salt and sugar. It make the body have weight. But give more examples too. Give specific examples, and don't forget to reverse your topic sentence at the end of both the concluding sentences. So here in the conclusion, you said, in the concluding, health and both of them is food. That is really not going to work because you have to restate your thesis. Again, follow the outline. I know I checked your outline, and I know that you wrote a reverse thesis for me. So follow that. Don't just write whatever you want to write. Use the outline. It helps you. Everyone to eat healthy, eat less on unhealthy food. So you give some advice here, but it's kind of weak. What do I mean by that? Tell me how they can stop eating unhealthy food. How? Like, give a suggestion. I understand that, by your paper, I understand unhealthy food is unhealthy, but how will they stop having unhealthy food? So make those changes, and then I need you to print it out and bring your outline on Thursday. Good job.